Well, this is an update on my conifer propagations. So it turns out citronella ants took over the whole bed and churned it all up into mud, so then it wasn't draining so well. So here's what we're left with. I'm going to pot them all up right now. Not a whole lot. We got some of this Cryptomeria Yoshino, some Elkhorn cedar. I think that was just a plain cedar. Threadleaf Cypress. Oh no, that's vintage gold Cypress. And then this is the Sungold. There's some green velvet boxwood. A couple yew. Very sad. I'll try again. Well, that's what I've got so far. There's still a few more of these Yoshino ones, but I'm gonna pot them up separately. And then all the green velvet I'm gonna leave because those are gonna go straight in the ground out front. So all in all, not bad, I guess. These were all the tough survivors. And it's free, expensive plants, so I guess I can't complain. Anyway, that's it for this. We'll try again.